much for playful banter.
I think there's still a little sensitive about the whole slave thing.
My bad.
If he drives, we follow.
So what's going on?
What Lynn's crew want? So I'm driving away.
Just tying down loose ends on the Irish guns.
This doesn't work if we don't trust each other. Trust can't live in the same space as secrets and lies. You agree?
Yeah.
So, I'll ask you again. Why were the Chinese here?
Same reason you're here, August. Chinese gun buy down Selma got ambushed. We're the likely suspects. I gave Lynn proof that we had nothing to do with it.